Hi, it's Callahan Cheeses here today, and I'll be discussing how to utilize the platform Zello for applying to college and finding scholarships. You probably know what Zello is. Your school likely has you use it if you're a high schooler. In fact, the Common App now requires that all applicants use it to get letters of recommendation from their teachers. When this first happened at my school, everyone, even our counselors, were confused as to how to use the new recommendation method. It actually turned out to be a very simple method. The steps to do it are: first, log into Zello's homepage. Second, hover your cursor over the plans icon and click College Applications. Third, use the prompt the tab gives you to connect Zello to your Common App account. Fourth, use the application tracker to add colleges to your dashboard. Then, click on the colleges of your choice and request teacher recommendations. Using Zello for the Common App may seem daunting at first, but it's really quite simple. Beyond college apps, Zello is also helpful for finding scholarships. You can find them under the same plans icon you found your college apps under. When you click on it, the Scholarships tab will generate a list of scholarships for you. This list actually supplies an abundance of great scholarships to apply to. To get matched with even more scholarships, fill out your scholarship profile so your recommendations are more personalized. In my opinion, Zello is the best scholarship source I have used, since it provides students with a large amount of scholarships tailored just to them. Keep attacking those scholarships, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.